barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who subscribed to my Signal service as of recent. Last month we had a record number of you joining my service, so I just want to say I really do appreciate all of your support. And if you are someone who's been watching my videos for some time now and want to make the jump and join my Signal service, then you can visit my website dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. But let's talk about the Nasdaq100. The Nasdaq100 continues to play in my hands here. It's done exactly what I've predicted as of recent. I said, when we faded up around 12,200, but I fully anticipated for us to go back down towards 11,500 at first, and we're pretty much there. We're at around 11,594. I still believe we go down to 11,000, guys. I do believe, though, that 11,000 is the floor. Now, of course, today we have now officially started earnings season. We've heard the report from JP Morgan, and it wasn't pretty at all. Their profits have fallen 28%. And they've cancelled their buybacks. This is not the best way to start earnings season, and this is exactly what I've warned as of recent. I think that we are going to see a continuation of this, of companies, big companies, coming out and just saying, we are anticipating a very difficult next 3 to 6, perhaps even 12 months ahead. So I think that we will continue to see big mega stocks continue to sell off here, and it's going to drag the overall indices towards the downside. Will we get some good earnings reports? Absolutely. We probably will get a few companies, because there's always someone out there who's making money at, even during the most difficult times. But I really do anticipate, companies like Microsoft, for example, which have the majority of their business in Europe, with how weak the euro is at this moment in time, with how weak the consumer is in Europe, companies like that are going to struggle. And Microsoft represents a very large portion of the Nasdaq100. So if Microsoft trades down 5 to 10% on any particular day, then of course it's going to drag the Nasdaq100 down significantly with it. So I think it's only a matter of time now until we go and test 11,000. That is my, my target. But if you would have watched my videos back at the beginning of May or mid-May, you would have heard me say during this area here that I fully anticipate that 11,000 is the floor, and I still have that bias. I think if we go and test 11,000, we do bounce. I just feel like we're going to be consolidating between 13,000 and 11,000 for some time, but I do believe we have to go and test 11,000 in the short term, and with earnings just arriving, I think that is a perfect fundamental reason for us to go lower here. So I am bearish at this moment in time for the Nasdaq100.
190 to 166.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.